Some people feel disappointed with their lives because they compare themselves to others, forgetting that everyone is unique and has their own value. This story will help you understand your own worth and uniqueness. In a peaceful village surrounded by green hills and clear rivers, there was a magical garden called the Garden of Talents. But this wasn't just any garden. Oh no, this garden was full of wonder. Here, the plants could talk, walk, and even dream. Every plant had a special gift, a talent given by nature itself. Some flowers could sing, trees could dance, and vines, they could paint pictures with their colorful leaves. The garden buzzed with joy, laughter, and music every single day. Among all the amazing plants, there was a small plain green bush named Nira. She didn't sing, she didn't dance, she didn't sparkle or smell sweet. She just sat quietly in the corner. Nira often looked around at the others and sighed. "I wish I could sing like Lily the Rose," she murmured. "Everyone loves her voice." Then she looked at the tall tree nearby. Tino's branches moved so gracefully. "Wow! I wish I could dance like him." Day by day, Nira felt smaller and sadder. She didn't see any reason to smile. Why did nature even put me here? She wondered. Every morning, the gardener, an old man named Daru, would walk through the garden. He talked kindly to each plant, watering them with care. When he reached Nira, he always smiled warmly. "Good morning, little one," he would say. But Nira never smiled back. She just looked down. Then one morning, something exciting happened. Children from the village were coming to visit the garden. All the plants were thrilled. "I'll sing the sweetest song they've ever heard," Lily said, full of pride. "I'll twist and twirl like a stormy breeze," shouted Tino, the dancing tree. "I'll paint a rainbow with my vines," laughed Vino. Nira? She said nothing. "I have nothing to show. What's the point?" she whispered. "Maybe I'll just stay hidden." Soon the children arrived, running, laughing, shouting with joy. They clapped for Lily's song, cheered for Tino's moves, and giggled as Vino painted the ground. But after some time they began to slow down. The sun was hot and they were tired. "Where can we sit?" one child asked. Another pointed, "Over there, under that big green bush." Yes, it was Nira. The children ran over and sat under her soft green shade. "Oh, this feels nice," one of them said. Another girl lay down and whispered, "I love this place. It's so peaceful here." Nira blinked in surprise. "Wait, me? They like me?" The breeze passed through her leaves and they made a gentle, soothing sound like a lullaby. The children smiled and closed their eyes. Gardener Daru came over and chuckled softly. "You see now, Nira," he said. "You didn't have to sing, dance, or paint. Your gift is peace, comfort, calmness. And today, that's what the children needed most." Nira's leaves fluttered with happiness. I never knew," she said, her voice full of joy. Daru nodded. "Each plant has its own magic. Don't compare, little one. Be proud of who you are." From that day on, Nira stood tall. She didn't wish to be Lily or Tino or Vino anymore. She was Nira, and that was more than enough. Whenever children visited, they always came to sit under her shade, and she welcomed them with all her heart. Moral of the story: don't compare yourself to others. You are unique, and the world needs you just as you are.